All right, we've got a couple more things we need to discuss related to Ajax before we can finish that topic. But before I jump into those, let me just step back for a minute and just give you the big picture again to remind you that Ajax is a pretty important topic in modern web applications. So to get back real quickly to our example where we had the Iowa Weather Now application, and we had a bunch of stuff on the page, and when we clicked search here to go get some weather data related to the zip code, okay, this goes and does a little search or sends a little Ajax request to a server, and we get some information back, okay, the thing that we went through in class. But the most important part of this, okay, was not understanding exactly how the Ajax works, or I guess that's important. But the other important aspect is just realizing why we're doing this. And again, the whole point is that we're trying to make web pages much more responsive. So rather than clicking the search button here and having this be a form where we request an entirely new web page, in other words, get all of this data back, okay, we can simplify that process, make things much faster by only getting back the new data that we need and updating the page and not having to reload all of this information. And you can imagine in a much larger web page with a lot more things on it than just a few simple things like this, it would be even more important. If we've got a real application that's got all sorts of buttons and things all over the page, okay, we don't want to have to update the entire page. We don't want to reload everything on that page. We just want to, over time, update the little pieces that we need, okay, similar to the map application that I talked about. So that's again the big picture of why we're talking about Ajax, and now I'm going to bring up a couple more things that we haven't covered yet.